Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Homeopathy World. I am Dr. Samina. So today I have brought these courses for you which are very helpful to all the teaching professionals including lecturers, teachers, MD students, those who are teaching faculty, those who want to improve their teaching skills and those who want to learn the efficiency of teaching online, or those who want to learn how to teach online or how to use the technology for teaching online. These courses are the best courses for you. Now these courses are brought to you by Athabasca University. It is a Canadian university, it's a very popular university, and these universities have bought the course for you for the teaching skill enhancements. So these courses are completely free, but these are long-term courses. These are spread over a time period of 4 weeks to 6 weeks. So these are long-term courses, but these are very helpful, especially when you want to enhance your teaching skills. If you're a teacher, if you're a lecturer, if you like teaching students, or even if you are a YouTuber who wants to teach online, you can learn from these courses, and these courses will definitely enhance your teaching skills. And these are brought to you by a very popular university, that is Athabasca, a Canadian university. So without further ado, let's get started. You all know that the link to this course is given in the description below. First of all, the link to the website is given where you can see and you can verify whether it's a genuine university from which you are doing the course. In this particular website, as you can see, there are online undergraduate programs, online graduate programs, online courses, and online professional development. The second link that I have given in the description below is to the first course that we are going to do relating to the teaching skills. So let us get to that particular website first. The first course that we are going to do is called as Blended Learning Practice. Now, what is Blended Learning Practice? It is a course that comes from the Commonwealth of Learning in partnership with Athabasca University. The next offering of the course starts from 4th April to 1st of May. So you have to enroll before the course starts. So if you enroll now, you will be notified when the course is starting, and then you can do the course. Okay. Here you can read about the course, what they are going to teach in the course, and then you can register in BLP. That is Blended Learning Practice. Now click below to register. The schedule is 4th April to 1st May. Registration is open now. It is intended for higher education and vocational teachers and other educational professionals from the Commonwealth and around the world. The language will be in English, and the expected workload will be 5 hours per week. So if you give 1 hour per day is also enough. The intermediate challenge level and no prerequisites. There is no primary requirement that you need to be this to do the course or you need to be that to do the course. Nothing like that. Certificates of participation and completion are available at no charge. So that is what I was talking about. The certificates are free. Here you can download the guidebook for this particular course. So if you want, you can read it later. Here you can see there's a video also where you can listen to and understand what this particular course is about. Okay. And then you can download the guidebook over here. This particular course is a blend of classroom and web-based teaching and learning offers to assess the widest range of learning modes and methods for developing the student's skill and expertise as learners. So we can understand how learning takes place and how we should teach in order to make a perfect learning experience for our students. Okay. So in all, there will be 8 chapters that will cover the full range of considerations for implementing blended learning. Again, you can download the guidebook from here, and the mentor for this particular e-learning session will be Sanjaya Mishra of the Commonwealth of Learning. Okay, so this is the first course that I was talking about. Here you can enroll. So I'm going to enroll it now in front of you so that you understand how to enroll. Here you have to enter your email ID. Here you have to enter your age, gender, country, province, educational level, and affiliation. So let me just enter all these things and come back. Okay, once you have filled in all the details like I have, now I'm going to click on go to Canvas registration, and here you can as you haven't enrolled yet, I haven't enrolled yet and I haven't registered yet. So I'm going to click on I am new user, and here I have to enter my full name and I have to agree to the policies, and I will now click on enroll in this course. And here you can see enroll in blended learning service. You have successfully enrolled, and we will send you an email shortly before the course begins. So whenever your course is going to begin, before that they'll send you an email. So you can go to your dashboard and check when the course is going to start and how much you have completed the course, and grades also. Okay, so this was about the first course regarding the teaching skills. Now we'll move on to the second course regarding the teaching skills, and that second course link is given in the description below. And this course is called as Introduction to Technology Enabled Learning. Again, it is also in association with the Athabasca University, and the current offerings is March 7th to April 17th. So you can enroll between these dates only. So it is a 6 weeks course and approximately 5 hours time each week. And here you can see, again, you can see this video to understand. You can download the brochure if you want. The end date is 17th April 2021. So you have to, before that, you have to complete the course. So schedule is from March 7th to 17th April 2021. It opens up at March 7, but you can open it until April 17. So you can click here to open. Let us first see what is the intended audience. The teachers in diverse contexts, including secondary education, post-secondary and vocational education. So it is 5 hours per module, and prerequisites are none, and the fees is also none. So what you will study in these course is given in this particular para. Okay, so you can meet teachers online all over the world. You can understand how their teaching and learning is, how they explore technologies in the classroom and in online teaching, how to evaluate the best fit technology for your classroom, and experience a fun and collaborative learning environment, and receive a certificate on completion of required activities. So here you're going to get 2 levels of certification. So you're getting 2 certificates. So first certificate is the certificate of participation, where you participate in at least 3 discussion forums and completion of quiz. And second is completion certificate, that requires 60% on all quizzes and participation in at least 3 discussion forums, and the creation and sharing of the technology enabled activity plan. So here you can see the course contents of all 5 weeks, and you can see your instructional team will be Dr. Martha Eins and Dr. Nathaniel Otawesky. So these are your mentors for this particular course. So you can enroll and you can get 2 certificates, certificate of participation as well as certificate of completion. You've also understood that it is a 6-week course which is spread over 5 hours per module. And when you want to do the registration, you can just click here, and here you have to enter all the details and then register in this course. So I'm going to enter my details. I have entered the details, so I'm going to click on go to Canvas registration, and here you can see it is already registered. So whenever the course is going to start, I'm going to get an email and I can just watch the course. Since this course is already started, as you know, then it is started on 7th March. So it is already started. So I can join this course whenever I want. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get the notification on our latest updates. And thank you for watching our videos.